Hi, good morning. Today we are going for the next topic about the commit log in Kafka. So this lecture we are going to learn about commit log and how it relates to Kafka. Kafka is based on the concept of commit log. Understanding the design and concept of commit log will help us understanding of Kafka better. Commit log is a sequence of record where each record has its own unique identifier. There are some characteristics of commit logs that differentiate it from other kind of logs in storage. Record can only be appended at the end of commit logs. Records are immutable, means it cannot be modified or changed. A commit log is always read from left to right, same like we write left to right. The record offset can be used to specify the start and end of read. Commit log have been used software for a long time and serve as a reliable record what happens in the system in whatever order. Database and cache is often used to commit log to reconstruct stack of system from crash or optimizing performance. Commit log is also known as a write ahead logs. So this is example. This is the diagram. So you see the records read from left to right, and append happen is new record is always appended, and producer will write operation. Record can't be modified. This is commit logs. So in a database, any changes in the first written to the write ahead log before the database itself, then write to commit logs is relatively faster even on disk. Then corresponding write to the complex data structure such as index or B-tree under. So first they write in commit log. This allows database to differ, making the changes of disk and only reflect them in memory. The database can rewrite to go through the series of event and commit logs and make changes to database asynchronously. Even if changes haven't been committed and the crash occurs, the database can still recover using the changes records by the commit log. Commit log can be throughout as a story of event that order in time. Can be used to recreate replicate changes. For instance, the replica of database can be read the changes from commit logs and bring itself to speed of the state of database replica. So commit log are simple, fast, and can be handle large volume of data better than traditional relational database. Another benefit from commit log is that complex system can be continue to work when the certain subcomponent face failure. These components can be consult commit logs when the coming back to online and reliably event get to the current states. So that's what we learn about commit logs. So Kafka is totally based on the commit logs. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel so I can create more valuable videos for you guys. Thank you.